dancer, it's Hannah. Thanks for joining me for the tutorial to the dance that I have made up to the song Pink from the Barbie movie. This was a really popular song when I taught this in my jazz classes, so I really hope you enjoy it. Once you're confident you've got the moves from this video, I'll pop another link below where there is a video where you can dance along with me and the music. So for the start of this dance, you can choose your own 4 poses. You're going to be in your first pose as the music starts, any pose you want, all right? So it's a Barbie song, so you can be as sassy as you like with your poses. So we're going to start maybe one hand on your hip, any pose you like. You can copy mine or you can do your own. And then you're going to change to pose number 2, whatever that might be, 2, and then pick another one, pose number 3, and pose number 4. Nice, so they can be any poses you like, just dancing along at the beginning of the music. All right, and then we're gonna join our feet together and do a big stretch. He says, when I wake up, then we're gonna step out in my own pink world. And you take your finger up and your eyes up to the ceiling. All right, then we're gonna do a little ball change. Cross your foot over and you're gonna spin all the way around. Nice, so the words are, she says, when I wake up, in my own pink world. Then we're going to cross, good, and then she says, wave to my home girls, and we go all the way down. Cool. Then you're going to jump and wave, and she says, hey Barbie. So you're going to jump your feet apart and wave at an imaginary friend. Hey Barbie. She's so cool. Gorgeous big slide. Nice. Ball change, little kick. It can be little or it can be big, whatever you like. Cross it in front and turn all the way around. Good. Let's try from the top. So you're already in your start pose before the music starts. Pose 1. Change pose 2. Change pose 3. And pose 4. Then we go. When I wake up in my own pink world. Good. Cross, turn, and big reach. Jump and wave. Hey, Barbie. She's so cool. Good. Ball change, kick, and cross and turn. Good. Really nice so far. Well done. And then she says about being dressed up by the pool. So we're going to flick our hair, real or imaginary, behind us for that bit. All right, so we're going to flick it out, and then we're going to step forwards and keep looking forwards past your arm, and then you're going to turn and walk to the back. 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, and then step your feet together. Jump your feet apart, crisscross, and then do a half a turn to face the front again. Cool. Okay, let's go through that little bit. So we've done our 4 poses, and we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and point, point, up. Cross, and turn, and reach. Ready to wave. Hey, Barbie. Good. She's so cool. All dolled up, playing chess by the pool. Flick your hair. Cool. You've then got your big step. So step, looking past your arm, turn to the back. Walk for 3, 2, 1, together. Jump, cross, turn. Good. And then in the music, it says me and you. So we're going to bring our hands to ourselves, me, and then point you. And as you do that, you can switch your hips side to side. Nice, and then it's the best bit, the chorus. So when she says pink, we're gonna strike a pose, pink, and then you've got a little bob, hips as you take your arm down to the side. Good, really nice. So really strong for that part, pink, hold it really strong. Good, very nice, down. Then you're gonna bring your hands cross, open, head, toe. Whoa, good, should we try that again? So we've gone pink, good enough to drink. Very good. Or I think it might be, goes with everything. Very good. Then it says, beautiful from head to toe. And again, beautiful from head to toe. One more time. Beautiful from head to toe. Nice. So it goes. Pink goes with everything. Beautiful from head to toe. Yeah. Then bring your hands in. Ready to go, you know. And then we repeat the other side. Pink, shake it down. A little bit different this time. We're going to bend, tap, bend, dig. Okay? Bend, tap, bend, dig. Nice. Then you do 2 walks forwards, forward, forward, and then gesture out, and then gesture in to yourself. Cool. Should we try it from the top? So, in your pose 1, whatever that might look like for you, and then change pose 2, pose 3, and pose 4. Good. And when I wake up in my own pink world, and cross, and turn, and reach, ready to jump. Hey, Barbie. She's so cool. Big kick, ball change, kick. By the pool. Big step forward, step, turn, walk for 3, 2, 1, together. Jump, cross, turn. She says me, and you, and pink. Good. Goes with everything. Beautiful from head to toe. Ready to go, you know. Other side, pink. Good enough to drink, we dip. We like other colors, but walk forward. Pink just looks so good on us. Awesome, well done. If you're ready to move on, let's learn the next bit. You can always rewind and recap if you want to go through any of those bits. So we've just done our walk forward. Pink just looks so good on us. She then says, what you wearing? So we're going to gesture out. What you wearing? Good. Dress or suit? And you tap your shoulders. Good. So she said, what you wearing? You're going to take it up. I think it's actually this hand first. Dress or suit? And then we do a big windmill down to your knee. Windmill, and your front hand is going to rest on top. You're going to slide it up and then point. Good. All right, so we've got what you're wearing, dress or suit, and big windmill. Windmill, over, and it says, look so good on you. Nice. Then we're going to call to Barbie. We're going to pretend she's over there. So we're going to do a little lunge forward, and we're going to call, hey, Barbie, I like your style. Good. So we call, hey, Barbie, I like your style. We're going to cross our foot over, turn all the way around, and pop our hands down on our knees. Nice. We're going to bring one hand under our chin and the other, and then it says a perfect smile. So on the word smile, we're going to straighten our legs and give me your most gorgeous smile. Okay, so let's go from, hey, Barbie. We call, hey, Barbie, I like your style. Cross, hips, a perfect smile. Gorgeous, really nice. Should we try it from the top? Okay, show me your first pose. Nice. And we change. Pose 2, pose 3, pose 4, and when I wake up in my own pink world, cross and turn and reach. Ready. Hey, Barbie. She's so cool. All dolled up, playing chess by the pool. Big step forward, step to the back. We walk 3, 2, 1, together. Jump, cross, turn. Me and you, chorus, pink. Goes with everything. Beautiful from head to toe. Ready to go, you know. Other way, pink. Good enough to drink. We like other colors, but pink just looks so good on us. What you wearing? Dress or suit? And big windmill all the way over. And the other way. So good on you. We call, hey, Barbie, I like your style. Cross and turn, the perfect smile. Gorgeous, well done. Let's add on. From here, we are going to push really slowly, and you're going to look up at your top hand. So push, nice. We then walk in our own little circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to do a little run back on your toes with your hands out. Run, just a little way back. Good. So let's go from, rewind back a little bit. We've called to Barbie, I like your style. Cross and turn, the perfect smile. And we slowly push and we walk 2, 3, 4 and run. Yeah. Then we point. She says, hey, Barbie. No, it says, that's my Barbie. So we go, that's my Barbie, pointing at someone, and then 2 big claps, up, up. And then again, other side, join your feet together. That's my Barbie. And we take it across with a little hip bounce. We repeat, that's my Barbie, 2 claps. And that's my Barbie, take it across. Yay. And then we repeat a bit we've already done. We step forwards, looking past our arm. We switch, turn to the back, 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, together. Jump, cross, turn. Me and you, it's the chorus. Pink goes with everything. Beautiful from head to toe. Ready to go, you know. Other side, pink. Good enough to drink. We like other colors, but pink just looks so good on us. Awesome, really well done, everyone. If you want, you can recap it again from the beginning, or you can check out the link below where I dance it through with the music. So once you're confident you've got all those moves, feel free to click on that link below and dance along with me and the music. Happy dancing!